After watching this video, you will be able to check for new software updates, and download and install them, from within Cadence or OrCAD X and Allegro X products. The start pages of applications, such as Allegro X System Capture, OrCAD X Presto, OrCAD X Capture, and so on, now show a link to the latest version available for update on Windows systems. You can click the link to download the files, and update to the latest version. You are then prompted to confirm the installation, and to provide user credentials. The update begins to download. After the download is complete, the update is installed. Once the setup completes, you are prompted to restart the system. You can also choose the Check for Updates command from the Help menu, to check if any updates are available. In case no updates are available, a notification is displayed. That brings us to the end of this demonstration on how to check for new software updates, and download and install them from within OrCAD X and Allegro X products. Thanks for watching.